Today we will going to discuss about digital circuit. And the first chapter, Introduction of Digital Electronics, we already studied about what is the main difference between analog and digital circuit, what is the analog circuit and signal, what is digital signal, again the difference between both. After that we will discuss about the digital benefit over analog, disadvantage or drawback, how this is made, the transistor functionality, the IC gates functionality over gates. So according on that we will discuss today digital circuit. A digital circuit is often constructed for small electronic circuit called logic gates that can be used to create combinational logic. This is here called as combinational logic. The logic gate is used as create combinational logic. Combinational logic means it is combined of many gates. It may be your basic gate, it may be your universal gate or your exclusive gate, but a combination of many logic circuits. Logic here we are considering as 0 and 1, on and off, or high or low. According on our concept, we studied that each logic gate represents a function of Boolean logic. A logic gate is an arrangement of electrical control switch. Here already we discussed that on the previous class, that gate is nothing but a function of or it is its basic component is your transistor. So you know that transistor is act as a switch. So better logic gate is an arrangement of electrical control switch, better known as transistor. Already we discussed that transistor related to your logic gates. The output of a logic gate is an electrical flow or voltage that can in turn control more logic gates. We already discussed that in each and every gate, logic gate has two voltages. One is plus 5 volt means high, another is 0 volt means low. I can consider as plus 5 volt high is 1, 0 low voltage is considered as 0. Okay. These integrated circuits are the least expensive way to make logic gates in a larger volume. The IC, the chips, are the least expensive way to make logic gate in a larger volume. Another form of digital circuit is constructed from PLD for small volume. Larger volume is constructed with the help of IC and the smaller volume are constructed with the help of PLD. When the volumes are medium to large, when small it is PLD, when larger at the time we are using IC, integrated chips. When the volumes are medium to large, microcontroller is programmed to make an embedded system. Those are usually programmed by software engineer. Basically we already know that there is two engineering field. One is hardware, another is software program. The IC was designed with respect to a hardware engineer and its running condition or its progression program concept is nothing but considered about software engineering. Then the application of logic gates. Basically we are using computer. The computers has the brain, body and limbs of computer system. Everything in it except peripheral. Embedded system, again if you are considering same thing, the brain that control the whole system. जस्ट लाइक अगर हमारे ह्यूमन बींग्स, हम लोग एक ह्यूमन बींग्स है तो हमारे अंदर एक इंस्ट्रक्शन कहाँ से आता है, ब्रेन से इंस्ट्रक्शन आता है कि हमें इस तरह से काम करना है, मुझे इस तरह से समझाना है, मुझे इस तरह से डील करना है, कोई भी कंडीशन कोई भी सिचुएशन हो तो हम डील करने के जो आइडियाज़ है वो हमारे ब्रेन से एक्टिवेट होती है. जस्ट लाइक दैट कंप्यूटर के अंदर भी ब्रेन होती है जो CPU के हिसाब से हम कंसिडर करते हैं या रैम के हिसाब से कंसिडर करते हैं. Computer, the brain, body and limbs of computer system carrying in it except like this embedded system, the brain that control the whole system. Example, avionics and auto electronics, VCRs, microwaves, etc. are the example. Okay. Like that, the next example is digital signal processing, DSP. Example, in digital cellular telephone system, digital TV, digital calculator, We are using digital cellular phones, we are using digital TV, we are using digital calculator, we are using digital watch, and that also we are using this logical circuit. Beside computer, logic circuit find the bulk of their application as the embedded system or brain of an enormous variety of products. In such systems, they are generally used as controller of a larger non-logic analog electromechanical system. It may be used in analog system, it may be used in electro system, it may be used on mechanical system or combination of electromechanical system. Basically, this digital circuit are using in computer field, embedded field, DSP, digital signal processing field, and except that we can say that the electro and chemical application or systems. Here there is an application, or here there is an example, that is sensor is connected here and there is AD, analog to digital converter, and after that there is connected a logic circuit or digital circuit. Okay, on the other hand side it will decode the data, encode and decode processing is carried out. Then logic circuit are used to realize function of the type. Basically, if input condition C1 on this diagram, there is three things N1, N2 and dot like Nk. Like that I have defined here. If input condition C1 hold, then do the output action A1. Else if input condition C2 hold, then do output action A2. If condition is C1, at that time output is A1. If the condition is C2, output is A2. Otherwise, same thing is repeat until the condition is C0. Means like that we can consider here the example is regarding on your temperature and time basis example. I have taken here one example. Then the role of a logic gate or logic circuit. Here, this digital system design is based on the principle of logic and manipulation of logic signal. Before going on the logic on the chapter, we have to know there is three things we have to know. First one is gate, why this gate is used. Then its logic symbol. After that, its logic table or operation. According on operation, the table will be defined. First one is logic operation or function or the purpose. Second one is its symbol, and third one is its truth table. Like this, here digital system, first line I have written here, digital system design is based on the principle of logic and the manipulation of logic symbol. Second, the digital system design is thus also termed logic design. According on the design or the design process is called as logic design. Here logic, there are only two values associated with a statement or computation, that is true or false. It may be considered as high or low, it may be considered as on or off, it may be considered as 0 or 1. It's depend upon you. True means high, means on, means 1. False means low, means off, or you consider as 0. According on your point of view, you consider as it is you like, but I am here considering as true and false. Okay, each and every slide I am covering all those things. I am in some slide I am covering high and low, some slide I am covering true and false. So you are familiar all the terms of the same meaning. True means high, means on, means 1. If you are considering low, it has the same meaning as false, same meaning as off, or it is considered as simple as 0. I have taken an example here, statement A. Today is nice day. Today is a nice day. अगर ये nice day आपके लिए नहीं है, then I am considering as F. False means 0. Okay. Statement B. This is a class of bright student. This is a class of bright students. So सारे बच्चे ब्राइट ही होते हैं बिकॉज भगवान हर किसी को अच्छे ब्रेन दिया है, इस वजह से मैं इसको ट्रू लिखती हूँ. सो कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट, इफ आई एम कंसिडरिंग ए कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट means combination of the both. formed a atomic or simple statement that are joined together by the three basic operation. We know that three basic gates are AND, or NOT. It is also called a logic expression. By using these three expression AND or NOT, I can write a expression that is called as compound statement, or this is also called as logic expression. Example, A and B. Here A and B means AND gate. I am using AND. So I can write that A means the statement A I have written here, today is nice day. After that I put AND. After that B, in place of B I am writing statement B. This is a class of bright students. Today is nice day and this is a class of bright students. First of all, today is a nice day. I have written their false statement. It is a false statement. And this is a class of bright student. It is a true statement. The false and true, the resultant must be false. Similarly, A or B. A or B means ये नहीं तो वो. So in place of A and B, I am putting the statement as today is a nice day, or this is a class of bright student. So the combination is I can write according on taking the help of logic F or T. F or T. That is nothing but false or true. That is true. We will study about these things later on. Right now discuss about focus on this example only. I have written here not B. Not B. Not B means it is nothing but a complementary or reverse of B. This is a class of bright students. So I can replace the in place of B, that is this. Not this is a class of bright students. So true, its logic function is true. So it's false, its reverse is false. So I have written here false. If I will write A or not B, so if I will put replace the A and B with respect to the statement, then today is a nice day or not, this is a class of bright students. See here, not is written within a bracket with respect to B. So not this is a bright students means not true. So it is false. False with respect to false is false. Okay. Then definition of what is a logic function. A logic function, it may be considered as A1, A2, A3, A dot 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 N, where A1, A2, A3 dot dot N are logic variable that can be true or false. Values is one which has either true or false values as its output depending on the input. Combination of its true or false values. Combination of its true and false value. In fact, any logic function can be represented by a combination of AND or NOT operator on the input variable. That's why this is called as a basic gates. AND or NOT can be operate of any input variable. That's why it is called as a basic logic gates. Or I can write here any logic function can also be represented by a truth table by using a truth table. So a truth table is a tabular representation of a logic function or operation where the output variable true or false is indicated for each input true or false combination. Example for the NAND or NOT function. Okay. So the true or false according the help of true and false, or taking the help of input as true or false with respect to output, I can write the truth table of all the gates. So see here, I have written, I will discuss further also. This is nothing but an introduction part. I will start the logic operation, logic gates, everything. This is nothing but an introduction part. Okay. A and B I have taken as false, 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 true, true, false and true, true. Like this I will take the selection. Okay. If AND gate, And means it is nothing but a function or operation of multiplication. So multiplies, if I am considering as false as 0, 0 multiplies 0 is always 0. So that's why it is false. 0 multiply with 1 is also 0. So that's why the resultant is false. 1 multiply with 0 is 0. So that's why I have written here false. 1 multiply with 1 is 1. So I have written here 1. Again, on the next things written there, A or B means this is nothing but or is dealing the function of addition. So 0 plus 0 always 0, 0 plus 1 is always 1, 1 plus 0 is always 1, 1 plus 1 is, I am considering here 2, so that is nothing but here written as 1, according on 1, carry 1, so here represent as 1. With respect to that, I have written this, I have already written the truth table like that. F, that is F, FT, TF and TT, it has true, true, true. After that, NOT gate. In NOT gate, there is only one input. If the input is false, the output must be true. If the input is true, the output must be false. Like that, I am taking a generic 2 input function. Here you can take 2 input, here you can take 3 input, here you can take 4 input. Like that, the truth table will be changes. We know that with respect to the, or we consider the input as n. If n is equal to 1, 2 to the power 1 is equal to only 2. So see there, in the NOT gate only one input. So 2 to the power 1 is equal to only 2 combination. Okay, in NOT gate there is only 2 combination, F and T. Only one input, so 2 combination. Okay, 2 selection or 2 combination. If 2 input, 2 multiply with 2 to the power 2. So 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 multiply with 2 is 4. So there is 4 combination, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Or false, 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 true, true, false, true, true. Like that. Otherwise, if I am considering as 3 input, that is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. If I am considering as 4 input, 2 to the power 4 is equal to your 16. Okay, like that the combination or the selection will be changed. Here I am taking a example as a generic 2 input function. There are total 2 to the power 2 combination of 2 inputs, so that the truth table has 4 rows. Okay, 2 multiply with 2, 4 row. False, 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 true, true, false and true, true. Each output of a row can have 2 possible values. It may be true, it may be false. So there are 2 to the power 4, 16 possible combination of values of a row, 4 row. Yes or no? 4 row has 16 possibility. How? Now each row has 2 possibility. According that 4 row has 4 multiply with 4, 16 possibility are there. Each of those 16 combination is a distinct truth table. Thus there are 16 different 2 input function. Okay. Like this, a generic of 3 input variables. If we are considering as 3 input variable, that is according on 0, 0, I am saying that 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Like that, here in place of 0 I am written false, in place of 1 I am written true. That is false, 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 true, false, true, false, false, true, 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 false, false, true, false, true, 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 false and true, true, true. Thus, there are 2 to the power 3, means here 3 is 3 input. So that is given as 8 input combination, thus 8 row. So truth table can have 2 to the power 8. So 256 possible output combination in its 8 rows. Thus 256 combination or different 3 input functionality. In general, an input function or truth table has 2 to the power n input combination. Thus has 2 to the power 2n output combination. one for each distinct function. Thus there are 2 to the power 2 and different n input function. Like this, I have discussed here what is Boolean logic. Boolean logic means T is represented by 1 and F is represented by 0. T is represented as 1 and F is represented by 0. Here, AND truth table in 1 with respect to 1 and 0 representation. In place of F already we have discussed here. So see here, this like this one. The first one, F. So first 3 output is F and next last one is T. So same thing I have written here by taking the help of 0 and 1. First 3 is F. See here, the output must be first 3 is 0. Okay, in place of F only I put here 0. A logic circuit is a circuit that realizes a logic function A1, A2, A dot to n. Electrical, it does not electrical representing ones and zeros as a voltage levels and manipulating them to produce 1 or 0 at the output as required by function F. If I will discuss about the definition of in a positive logic 1 is represented by high voltage and 0 by a low voltage. Consider the first 0.5 volt. 5 volt means is considered as the peak values, peak amplitude or peak voltage, that is 1. The minimum values at the time off condition, that is considered as 0. Okay, reverse is the case of negative logic. Most digital circuits are implemented in positive logic and we will only focus on such circuit in this class. I am focusing only the positive values of these logic gates. Okay, this is nothing but I tried to understand the basic of logic operation, logic gates, and what is analog and digital differences. After that, we will focus on the study of according on our syllabus. We will discuss each and every topic on the next class onwards. Thank you.